Welcome to Davi Toons Club. Today we're drawing Judy Hopps, the brave bunny officer from the world of Zootopia, inspired by the original concept style of the film. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and leave a like. It really helps the channel grow and keeps these drawing tutorials coming. Grab your favorite drawing tools, get comfy, and let's bring this amazing character to life. And remember, if any part of the drawing feels a little tricky, you can always pause the video and continue at your own pace. Judy Hopps is the main protagonist of Zootopia, a Disney animated film released in 2016. She is a small-town bunny from Bunnyborough who dreams of becoming a police officer in the big city of Zootopia. Despite many people doubting her because she's small, Judy becomes the first rabbit police officer in the Zootopia Police Department. Her character represents determination, optimism, and the idea that anyone can achieve their dreams. Judy's full name is Judith Laverne Hopps. She has hundreds of siblings, since rabbits are known for having very large families. Her partnership with Nick Wilde, the clever fox, becomes one of the most beloved friendships in modern animated movies. The city of Zootopia is designed with different climate districts, allowing animals from many habitats to live together. The filmmakers spent months researching animal movement and behavior to make the characters feel believable. If you're enjoying this drawing, don't forget to leave a like and share this video with your friends. And if you'd like to see more characters in different styles, like chibi, retro, and modern cartoon, check out our playlist by clicking the card right up here. Also, tell me in the comments which character should we draw next. Many scenes in the movie explore themes like prejudice, stereotypes, and understanding others. Judy's iconic long ears and energetic personality help make her one of Disney's most recognizable modern characters. Zootopia won the Academy Award for Best Animated Feature in 2017. For colors, Judy usually has soft gray fur, pink inner ears, a blue shirt, and a purple jacket. But of course, feel free to color your drawing any way you like. Creativity is always welcome here. And here's our Judy Hopps, brave, cheerful, and ready to protect the city of Zootopia. I hope you had fun and were inspired. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.